Good evening. I am Ram Kumar, Managing Director, Shravan Corrugators Private Limited. You can find me at md@shravancorrugators.in or 99402 88662. My learnings in S. Focus. Inch wide, mile deep. So right now I'm focusing on profitability rather than on the top line. Both top line and bottom line counts, and the important point is focusing on the bottom line. All that is measured only grows. So we measure our turnover, purchase, sales, our inventory and wastage on a daily basis, and we have set a goal of launching our own product shortly, pizza boxes with our own brand. We have reviews and control systems. So we have the display boards, and we review the boards on a daily basis. So which helps in controlling the pilferages and wastages and monitoring the material that is not moving, and so that we can dispose that material, and it reduces our inventory and increases profitability. So we keep innovating. Every day we take at least one new action. So which means like 365 days, we take 365 new actions. So which results in continuous growth and development and profitability. My implementations. 5 years factory layout optimization. So we shifted the machines according to the process, and which helped us in saving time and material and manpower, and also created visibility and easy flow of material and process. So lean manufacturing process. So we reduced the manpower, reduced the material, and we have reduced the time. Control board visuals we already shared in the earlier slide. We were planning to reduce the manpower after this layout, but just in time Corona came, and we were able to implement the reduction of manpower, which was easily done in the Corona time, which otherwise would have taken a lot of time to reduce those manpower. And right now we are achieving with 11 people what 30 people were doing, and it's like almost like 60% of the turnover with 33% of the manpower. Just in time inventory we have started, and almost we are like 80% through, and the 20% work is still like only just 2 days material needs to be in. Right now we have around 3 days material. Within a short time we will be working with only 2 days inventory, and it's a continuous process. Excess manpower reduction. We are right now working with 33% of the manpower and achieving 60% of the turnover, and we are still working on achieving 100% of the turnover of last year with the same 33% of the manpower. Now if you see on a daily basis, each and every hour our factory is very clean, and the wasteful process have been eliminated, and wasteful shifting of material, shifting of wastage, wasteful usage of manpower, and only required inventory, like I shared in the earlier slide, 3 days inventory is present. So which increases our inventory turnover and increases the profitability, reduces the wastage. And right now we are shortly introducing our own brand of pizza boxes with multicolor printing at an economical cost for the buyers who cannot afford to do offset printing when they do their buy 50 or 100 boxes. You can see the snapshot on employee engagements. We conduct some games so that we create through the games how to save the time and how to work as a group, how to work as a team.